What are you doing?
Welcome to SC Custom Designs. This is our second first event of the year. Second time here at the Mabee Farm, which is behind us over there. Two of our children were born there, and so you'll hear me talking about projects all year long, and here they are in this event. It's a wonderful event. So give us a shout out if you're recognizing some of these products. And here they all are. They're not all here. What we have left. Just got a little bit of a pan down here. These are inset boxes, bandsaw boxes. My wife makes these beautiful garments. Beautiful hats. Twisty turban headbands. I wouldn't know that if I didn't read that sign. Of course, then I do angled dovetail joinery on the boxes. And my wife makes this wonderful 100% natural wood wax. She states that you can eat it. So yeah, you're going to put it on your chopping board. And this guy here is cracking up, as you can see.
Ooh, these are cool.
All right, we got to run. We got customers. Take care. Shalom uvracha. Thank you for coming. Watching our video. Subscribe to SC Custom Designs if you like what you see. We'll show you how to make these in the wood shop. All right. Take care. And I'm going to make you dizzy.